Any comments regarding these calls that was received from and text messages received from Mr. Jack Buthelez's number?
Kona mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho ke malana lama phone lawo watholi nama SMS owathola ke abuye kule nombolo kaMnumzane Buthelezi.
Mina njengakusho phambi kwecourt okokuqala ukuthi number 1 ifoni yayingekho ke.
Macam. Firstly, my lord, I would like to say the phone was not with me, or I was not in possession of my phone.
Okwesibili inkosi enkantolo ngihamba namaphoyisa ngephukeng. Mangifike ephukeng hayi ukuthi izandla ziboshiwe. Ifoni yami imukela ama message kade ivale imukela ama message. Ngibani ovula ifoni yami amaphoyisa khona kugininda ngumhula.
Secondly, my lord, I am with the police officials and we are going to Pukeng, and my phone, which phone value?
Ifoni yami ngithi la bathi bivaliwe sisi la ngehlala nge 19 mangithi nge 19 ngabo 5 so 5:22:5.
The document indicates that on the 19 around 22:05 my phone was switched off.
Ivaliwe mase sisephukeng ifoni yami ivuliwe.
And then now when we're at Pukeng, my phone is now on.
Ugininda ukhona, umhula ukhona.
Geninda is there, Mukhula is also there.
Ngumkhana ukhona.
Mukhane also.
Umabhena ukhona.
Mabena.
Ubaba lo amaXesibhande sengigcine ngizothiwa uBonganiende igama lakhe.
And another gentleman by the name of Bonganiende.
Lapha yena ngihamba namaphoyisa asemadala esiphoyiseni. Ngiphethe ifoni ngihamba namaphoyisa.
I am at that moment I am with the police officials who have long services in the police force, and I'm in possession of the phone.
Mina ingakho ngitshena icourt inkosi enkantolo ifoni yami yayisebenza ngoba kusithi ahamba kimi ngoJune 16 ifoni yami ibisebenza.
My lord, that is the reason why I am insisting on telling the court that my phone was being used, because the last time I was with my phone it was in June.
Ingakho lo phambi kwenkantolo ngibuzile ukuthi ifoni yami yayisetshenziswa ubani phakathi kwaMhane noMabhena akuyibona bathatha ifoni kimi.
I had a question, my lord, exactly who was using my phone between Mohane and Mabena, since they were the ones who took my phone from me.
Mr. Ntanzi, we went through the evidence of Warrant Officer Ndlovu with you as to what happens if the phone has got a security pattern that he can still receive text messages.
Mnumzane Ntanzi ke ngisakhumbula ke siyasabekela futhi noma sakufundela ke ufakazi lobu ke obashiwa ke uMnumzane uNdlovu la enkantolo ngalenkathi echaza ukuthi ke ifoni ke mangabe ke inomfanekiso okuyivula ngakhona ukusetshenziswa ivula ngalo mfanekiso lo.
Mina ngiyathemba kodwa ipendulo lasengiyiphendula kaningi ukuthi uMabhena ifoni yami yavulwa phambi kwakhe ngifuna inamba kaButhelezi phakade.
My phone was unlocked in the presence of Mabena when I was looking for Buthelez's number.
Ngoba ifoni yami iphuma kuyo uMabhena khona emotweni yimi ngimtshela ukuthi ngoba ifoni yami iyaringa ngicela uvule ulethe ifoni yami ngikhiphe inamba kaButhelezi azange anginike esandleni uyibamba so ngiyamtshela ipattern ithi.
Because my phone rang whilst we were inside the car with Mabena, and that's when I told him that since my phone is in the car, can you give me my phone so that I can make a call? So he did not give the phone to me. He held the phone and I had to put on the pattern.
Now we proceed to the next page. Are you done with all your comments on this page? Page 8.
Uqedile ngaloko ufuna ukusho la ngalo page 8. So wazi uqhubekela phambili.
Ngiqedile noma lamathawa la ngingawazi ama-interval ukuthini lama clan masehla la njengalanga nje angwazi ukuthini.
And also, yes, I am done. However, I would like to indicate that there are some towers that I don't know what exactly they mean. He pointed on the tower that's written 3G Vervoerdpark.
Thank you. The next series of calls is found on page 9 of 38, case ID 1031225. Still part of exhibit DD5E, Roman figure 1.
Uthi-ke sesiyaqhubekela phambili sesokhuluma manje futhi ngale yamakhola lapha ku page number 9. la sabonayo la.
Yeah.
Yes.
Your number 060 90 16890 on the 26th of June 2020 received an incoming call at 16:40:29 lasting 91 seconds from your mother's number saved as Mama Wami 079 0696 750. The tower is 3G, Pretoria University, NGA.
Mhla 26 June 2020 inombolo yakho ke levela njengo 0609016890 yathola kwaba khona ke ucingo olungenayo kuyona ke lubuya ku number ke ebhalwe Mama Wami inombolo yakho na ku 079 0696 phansi kombhoshongo wase Pretoria University.
And your number 06090168890 on 26 June 2020 at 17:23:08 received a text, an incoming text message, an empty SMS lasting 0 second from a number that you previously identified as Gogo's number 066 0682 412, and the tower is 3G, abode 219 Hillcrest, NGA.
Futhi ke mhla 26 June 2020 isikhathi ke ku 17:23:08 inombolo yakho ke yathola ke umlayezo ke ongenayo so aku number le nawo wayichaza wathi number kaGogo ke 066 0682 412 phansi kwebhoshongo ke wase Hillcrest.
Your number 06090168890 on the 26th of June 2020 at 17:44:32 was called by your mother's number 07906966750 lasting 2 seconds. The call went to voicemail or call forward. The tower is 3G, abode 219 Hillcrest, NGA. The time of that call was 17:44:32.
26 June 2020 isikhathi ke 17:44:32 second ke iphone number yakho ke noma ifone yakho ke inombolo 0609016890 kwaba khona ucingo olungenayo olubuya ke kunombolo ke le u07906966750 engathatha ke mhlambe imizwana ngaba mibili noma ke langena ke ku voicemail.
Your number 06090168890 on the 26th of June 2020 at 17:45:08 was called by your mother's number 07906966750. The call lasting 3 seconds. The call went to voicemail and it's a call forward. The tower is 3G, Oak Street, NGA.
Mhla 26 June ngo-2020 isikhathi ke 17:45:08 ke inombolo yakho ke e-0609 016 ke yathola ke ucingo olungenayo ke ngefoni ke kamamakho e-079 069 6750 yathatha ke imzuzu engaba mthathe phela kodwa naye yangena ku-voicemail.
Your number ending 16890 on 26 June 2020 at 17:45 and 45 seconds was called by your mother's number 079 06 96750, lasting 2 seconds. The call went to voicemail. It's a call for what? The tower is 3G Oak Street, NGA.
26 June 2020 isikhathi 17:45 inombolo yakho ke le egcina ke ngo 6890 ke yathola ke ucingo olungenayo uphuma kunombolo le u-079 0696750 lathatha mhlambe imizwana ngabantu alamibili futhi umbhosho ngakhona ku-Oaksville.
Your number ending 16890 was called by your mother's number 079 06 96 750 on 27 June 2020 at 12:33 15 seconds. It lasted 4 seconds and it went to voicemail. It's a call forward. The tower is undefined.
Inombolo yakho ke yena legcina ngo 16890 yathola kucingo olungenayo ke lubuya ke efonini ke kama wakho inombolo yakho ku 079 0696750 mhla 27 June ngo-2020 isikhathi ku 12:33:15 ke fona khona ke yathatha ngithola imizuzwana nje emine kodwa ke yasengena ku voicemail.
Your number ending 16890 on 27 June 2020 at 13:03:34 seconds was called by your mother's number 079 06 96 750. Call lasted 4 seconds. It went to voicemail. It's a call forward. The tower is undefined.
Mhla 27 June ngo-2020 isikhathi futhi 13:03:34 inombolo yakho ke yona le egcina ngo 16890 kwaba khona ke ucingo olungenayo ke phuma kunombolo ke ekama wakho lapho ke lathatha umzuzwana ngabamini kuphela engena ku voicemail umbhosho ngakhona awuchazwanga.
Your number ending 6890 on 28 June 2020 at 06:59 16 seconds was called by your mother's number 079 06 96 750, lasting 1 second. The call went to voicemail. It's a call forward. The tower is undefined.
Ngomhla 28 June ngo-2020 isikhathi 06:59 16 imizuzwana nje inombolo yakho ke legcina ke ngayo ke 16890 kwaba khona ucingo olungenayo ke phuma kuma wakho ke inombolo yakhe ku 079 069 6750 le yangena ke ku voicemail futhi ke umbhosho wangu ke awuchazwanga.
Your number ending 16890 on 1 July 2020 at 18:20 and 30 seconds was called by your mother's number 079 06 96750. The call lasting 3 seconds. call went to voicemail. It was a call forward. The tower is undefined.
Msaka 1 July ngo-2020 isikhathi ke ku-18:20:30 inombolo yakho ke leyo ugcina ke ngayo 16890 ke yafonela ke number ke le kama wakho ke u-079 yathatha nje imizwana nje engaba mithathu kodwa ke yasingena ku-voicemail.
Then the last call on this page, your number ending 6890 on 1 July 2020 at 1900 hours and 2 seconds was called by your mother's number 079 0696750. The call lasted 2 seconds and it went to voicemail. It was a call forward. The tower is undefined.
Mhlaka 1 July ngo-2020 isikhathi ke ku-19:00:02 inombolo yakho ke yathola ke ucingo olungenayo ke liphuma kuma wakho inombolo yakho ku-079 0696750 elathatha le phela imizwana engaba mibili kodwa nala sengena ku-voicemail umbhoshongo ke ungachazwanga.
Now you can comment, Mr. Ntanzi.
Khona mhlawumbe ungathanda ukukusho.
Mina phambi kwekhoti ngizocela ngoba nge-26 angisikhumbuli ngikhishwe emaseleni.
My Lord, I don't recall being removed from the cells on the 26th.
Ifoni yami ise 3G PTA University NGA.
And my phone signal is at 3G PTA University.
Yeah. Kodwa nakhimukela ikholi atsoba noma bengisemaseleni.
Because it shows here that it received a call. My question is, who answered the call since I was in the cells?
Siphinde sehle size la kula nge-26/17/45.
Then going down again on the 26th at time 17:45.
Sacela ngifundele igama sister.
Liphi?
Yeah. Lelo necashazelo.
Ox.
Yes.
And it shows 3G Ox Street NGA.
Mina ngisemaseleni ifoni yami ihamba lapha ihamba nobani ke.
And at that time I'm in the cells and my phone signal shows this place. Who took the phone to this place?
Mina ngithe court namanje ngisaphinda phambi kwecourt. Ifoni yami yakimi yathathwa ngoJune 16.
I'm still repeating myself, my Lord, that my phone was taken away from me on the 16th of June.
Nalana leli phepha leli engwabuka lokho ngifundela wona phambi kwesekade iyakhomba ukuthi ibivula ilayidi iphinde icishiwe ivule iphinde ilayidi icishiwe lapha ebikhona.
And also, with regards to these documents that you've been reading before the court, it shows a clear indication that my phone will be switched on and then it will be switched off again, just like that.
Mina nje ngokwami phambi kwecourt ngithi mina ngiyabonga mawugcina ufunda nalamathawa la ungifundela wona manje ukuthi ifoni yami bese Pretoria University nge-26 nangeyibani bani.
And I'm just glad I'm just glad that you read this document with the towers that shows that my phone signal was indicating Pretoria University.
Yes.
Mina ngiqedile.
I'm done.
The call that you're referring to on the 26th of June 2020 that you say was answered yet you were not booked out, are you referring to that call at 16:40:29? It was an incoming call, an MTC lasting 91 seconds from your mother's number 079 0696750. Is that the one that you're referring to?
ucingo lokhuluma ngalo ukuthi ke lela phendula kodwa wena ke ubusemaseleni ukhuluma ngalelo uthi ilathatha inzalo ngaba 91 leli lale nomboro leyo uthi kama wakho 079 logcina ngo750.
Angithi ngibona la mangithi ngihlele court ngikhuluma ngalo ngibuka la bathi MTC.
Yes, I'm referring to that since I see next to it there's an MTC written there.
3G PTA University NGA.
And also on the other column, it shows 3G, PTA University NGA.
You realize that up to that point, the device was switched off. All the calls went to call forward.
Oh, yeah, one good
This is the first call. This is the first incoming call that was answered, which lasted 31 seconds from, and this was the call from your mother's number.
Which lasted 31 seconds.
91 seconds.
Okay. Mnumzane Ntanzi uthi ke umshushuzi yabona ukuthi ke sesifike la ngayo inkathi ifoni le ibicinyiwe sonke lesikhathi kuzokufika kule number le kama wakho le ikhola khona ethatha 91 seconds iyona ifoni iyona ikhola oqala ke iyangena amanye lawo beyicishiwe ifoni.
Angithi la sikhunya ngokuthi la ifoni becishiwe lapha yavulwa kwangela ama SMS angithi khona ePretoria University la angithi ngesikhathi kwaku 16/21/18 SMS angithi nakho kubhale yona iTower.
From what I can read here, it shows that the phone was switched off. However, when you go down to 16/21/18 that time, it shows that the phone was on again because it received SMSs on the Pretoria University Tower.
Ngoba mina akaze ngiye kulezi ndawo lezi akaze ngibone Pretoria University lapho engihamba khona ngomnyama.
Because I never went to these areas and I've not even seen that Pretoria University.
Namaphoyisa akaze ayikhulume lapha ekhotho ukuthi akangithatha ngisa ku Pretoria University.
Even the police officials never mentioned before the court that they ever took me to Pretoria University.
Nokuthi futhi ngangakhishwe emaseleni nge26 azange ayikhuluma amaphoyisa lapha ekhotho.
And also that I was removed from the cells on the 26th. That was not mentioned by the police before the court.
But the point is, Mr. Ntanzi, that call from your mother's number on the 26th of June 2020 at 16:40:29, an incoming call lasting 91 seconds with the tower being 3G Pretoria University is the first call that was answered.
Manje ke mzana Ntanzi ke uthi ke umshushisi ke mawubheka ke kulo suku lolu 25 zika June ngo2020 isikhathi ke so 16:40:29 kuyakhomba ukuthi ke kwaba khona ke ucingo olungenayo futhi olaphendula ke olathatha ke imzuzu ngaba 91 okuyona ke inombolo ephuma la kunombolo kwama wakho.
Kucace ngokusobala phambi kwenkosikazi ukuthi ifoni umuntu athi ifoni lo ayayiphethe phakathi kwamabhena nomhana.
It is clear, my lord, that the person who answered this phone is the one that was in possession of this phone between Mabena and Mohale.
Lokhu nje kumhlophe kuthe qwa kusobala ngoba akaze ngibhukhiwe nge26.
That is very, very clear, my lord, since I was never booked on the 26th.
Izona nalapha phambi kwekatolo ngeke ngakubuza enye indlela wathi kimi kukhomba ukuthi la kusemgwaqeni. Nganga athi khona ngihamba namaphoyisa ngisemgwaqeni. Boshiwe izandla nenyawo.
There was a question that I asked sometime, I think yesterday, and then your answer was that we were on the road. So my question is it possible that I will answer a call whilst I'm with the police officials en route?
Phambi kwephoyisa ngathi phone ngiyeke ngibe nefone emaseleni iphoyisa ngabe kusha.
In front of the police officer, are you saying the police officer will allow me or leave me to have a cell phone in the cell? That is new.
The next call is found on page 10 of 38, case ID 1031225, still part of exhibit DD 5 in brackets E Roman figure 1. the your number ending 6890 on 5 July 2020 at 14:28:53 seconds was called by your mother's number 07906966750, lasting 4 seconds. The call went to voicemail and it's a call forward. The tower is undefined.
Futhi ke inombolo yakho ke legcina ngo6890 mhla ka 5 July ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku 14:28:53. Inombolo yakho ke yathola ke inombolo ucingo olungenayo ke suka ku phone kama wakho 079 069 6750 elathatha mhlawumbe imzuzu nje umzuzwana ngaba mini kodwa ke la selingena ku voicemail na umbhosho ngakhona ke awuchaziwe.
Can you just comment on this call?
Uthini kulo cingo lokukhuluma ngalo manje?
Mina ikite ngayiphendula ngoba ifone yayingekho ngiyacaca nalapha nje nokuhamba kwa ifone ukuthi yayingekho kimi.
There's nothing to say, my lord, but just safe to say that the phone was not with me, and it's even clear on this document that my phone was somewhere else, but not with me.
If we can refer you briefly to your phone book, Annexure 3, contact number 196. It's Lango 222 with the number 082-365-3315. Who is that contact?
Manje sicela ukuthi usitshele ukuthi ke masiya lapha ke incwadi yakho ke yamafoni yakho ke sibheka ke icontact lewo 196 uvela ke njengolango 22222 ubani lo muntu?
Lona kuzala ubaba omncane ekhaya akasekho futhi emhlabeni.
Lango is my uncle's child and is even normal.
The next page is page 22 of 38, case ID 103 1225, still part of Exhibit DD 51E, Roman figure 1. Your number ending 6890 on 29 August 2020 at 09:28:07 made an outgoing call, an MOC lasting 1 second, to your mother's number 079 0696 750.
Inombolo yakho? Inombolo yakho ke legcina ngo6890 mhla ka 29 August ngo2020 isikhathi 09:28:07 yenza ke ucingo oluphumayo ifonela ke uma wakho ke unombolo 079 069 6750.
Then the next call your number ending with the number the numbers 6890 on the 29th of August 2020 at 09:28:57 received an incoming call it's 50 seconds after the outgoing call to her number. Her number 07906966750 calls your number at 09:28:57, and as I mentioned, it's an incoming call lasting 300 seconds. The tower is 3G Queenswood NGA.
Inombolo yakho ke legcina ke ngaye ke u6890 khona ucingo kolungenayo ke uya kule nombolo ke u0790696750 isikhathi ke ku09:28:57 ucingo lakho lathatha ke umzuzu ngaba 300 seconds phansi kombhoshongo ke Queenswood.
Do you have any comment?
Khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho?
Kosenkantolo mangena phone.
My lord, I did not have a phone.
Ngoba mangithula ukubuka futhi nangazi 29 la. Le phone le ifone le number kaMabhena 195.
And looking at this document on the same date, on the 29th, this same phone called Mabena's line 425.
Ngifonele iphoyisa yana makuthiwa ifone ayikimi.
So are you saying I called the police if the phone was with me?
Isikhathi sakho nankosenkantolo 12:16:35.
And the time is 12:16:35, my lord.
Mr. Ntanzi, we are on about 18 calls of the $95 calls that we mentioned. If you did not have your phone on you, why would your mother keep on calling you?
Manje ke mzwana Ntanzi siphuma ke mhlambe ngama calls ay95 wonke esikhulume ngawo. Uma ngabe wena ubungenayo wena ifoni yakho kuwena, ungani mama wakho lokho kufonela?
Khumbula msheshisi mangiboshwa ngangazi ukuthi nguphi ekhaya.
Remember when I was arrested, nobody knew at home where I was.
Okokuqala lokho kwesibili umama uyangizala.
And secondly, this is my mom who gave birth to me.
Okwesithathu ifoni yami ayicishiwe bayayibona ukuthi on ma no WhatsApp ayi-on no Facebook i-on.
And another thing, another point, my phone was not switched off. They could see my WhatsApp being active and also Facebook.
Ukube umfowethu usaphila lokhuluma ngawo la ngoba ngizomlanda eRustenburg azongitshela ukuthi yipi iphoyisa belimfayela ngefoni. Limtshela ngendaba zebhayili.
If my brother was still alive long ago, I would have called him to come and tell the court exactly the police official who called him, telling him about the bail.
Kwanawe lapha mangathiwa ingane yakho awuyibonje namhlanje ungayifuna kodwa ifoni yami libona i-on ngeke uhlale ungayifonela ingane yakho.
Even yourself, if you don't find or you don't see your child, you keep on calling the child, you will not stop.
Ngeke ngawukhuluma lo nkulumo phambi kwekatolo ngathi mina ngangingcono uyangitshela ukuthi Tanzi ifoni yakho ibisetshenziswa yiliphi iphoyisa naliphi iphoyisa lokho ngabe enhlizweni yami ngabe ngiright kakhulu ngabe ngithi hayi umthetho wesiphoyisa usebenza ngale ndlela.
If you would have told me that Ntanzi, this is what was happening with your phone, that would have settled everything. I would have taken it that it's police procedure to do that.
Khona manje ngiqeda ukufundela icourt mina 195,000 number kaMabhena.
I just read something for the court now that Mabena's number was called for 190.
Ngo-call back uMabhena futhi nangefoni yami.
And also sending a call back to Mabena. with my phone.
Let's look at that call lasting 300 seconds. It's an incoming call from your mother's number 079 0696 to your number ending 6890. 300 seconds is about 5 minutes. It's an incoming call from your mother. Are you saying that the caller using your mother's number spoke to someone that they don't know for 5 minutes?
Uthi umshushisi masibheke ke lenye ke i-call yangena ke le thathe 300 seconds ongaba mhlambe imizuzu emihlanu. Ufuna ukwazi umshushisi manje ukuthi ngamanye amagama lo muntu ofonile ke uye wafonela ke umuntu angamazi wakhuluma naye 5 minutes yonke nje.
Mina ngiyaphinda phambi kwenkosi enkantolo. Ngithi mina ifoni yami mayithatha ke maybe akushongo ukuthi itanze cishe ifoni yakho.
I'm repeating myself again, my lord. When they took my phone, they did not request that I switch off the phone.
Amafoni ami oyi2 ahambe kimi on engacishiwe.
Both of my phones were taken from me and they were on, they were never switched off.
Kwakufanele umama ifoni ayifonele. Ngoba nakho nangalo kwelinye iphepha liyavela ukuthi ifoni yakho fonele esePretoria University mali ya atsiwe ifoni.
It was proper that my mom calls me, and on the other document it shows that my phone rang while it was on Pretoria at Pretoria University and it was answered then.
Ngoba koqala yafoni ihambi nedata WhatsApp no Facebook.
Firstly, when the phone was taken, it had data and WhatsApp and Facebook.
On this page, if you look at the first call, your number ending 6890 at 28 August 2020 at 23:41:52 received an incoming call, an MTC lasting 112 seconds from Lagos number 072 619 1698. The tower is 3G Queenswood NGA. You see that?
Uyabona ke lekhulunywa ngayo ke le evelayo lana usuku lakhona ku-28 August 2020 isikhathi ku-23:49:52 waba khona ke le call engene yathatha ke 102 seconds kuya kunamba ke kalebo evela njengo 072 619 168 kumposhongo ke wase Queenswood 3G.
Yebo ngiyakwazi.
Yes, I can see that.
Then your number again, the second call ending 6890 on the 28th of August 2020, 23:53:05, received an incoming call, an MTC, lasting 895 seconds from Lagos number 072 619 1698.
Uyabona futhi lesibili ke evelayo amhla ka 28 August 2020 isikhathi ku 23:53:05 lapho ke yathola ke ucingo olungenayo ke libuya nomborweni kalebo lathatha 895 seconds.
Yebo ngiyalibona.
Yes, I can see that.
Then the third call, your number ending 6890 on 29 August 2020 at 00:09:03 received an incoming call, an MTC lasting 30 seconds from Lagos number 072 619 1698.
Futhi ke masiqhubekela phambili mhla ka 29 August ngo 2020 isikhathi ku 00:09:03 inombolo yakho ke yathola ke call engenayo eyathatha ke mhlambe u 30 seconds ubuya ke kunombolo yakho lebo. 072 619 168 khona kumbhoshongo lwaseQueenswood.
Now, if you look at starting at that first call is 2349, 2353. The other one is after midnight, 0009. Do you agree that these calls were late night calls? They were made late in the night.
Uma ke sibheka ke isikhathi ke salo makhola yangena, uma sibheka ke leyo qala ke yenzakala ngo 234952, eyesibili 235305, kube nale engene ke ngo 000903. Uthi umshushisi uyavuma ukuthi konke lamakhona ke angene ebusuku.
Ngiyavuma ngoba isikhathi ngiyasibona sibhaliwe.
Yes, I do agree since I can see the time written down.
Bese ngiphendula ngithi ke ukhuluma nobani ngoba mina yamfona iKing Mabhena nomkhana.
And now my question is, who is this person talking to? Because my phone is not with me, it's with Mabhena and Mohale.
I say suggesting that Lebo was speaking to an unknown person or a stranger during those late night calls.
Uthini ke mzana uthi ke mhlawumbe uLebo ke ubekhuluma ke ngomuntu ke ongaziwa ngalenkathi enza lamakholi la sebusuku.
Sikhumbule phambi kosenkantolo ukuthi mangiboshwa mina bamtshelanga uLebo Khile ukuthi ngiyaphi.
I like us to recall that or remember that when I was arrested, Lebo Khile was never informed.
Futhi unalo ilungelo lokungicinga ngefoni ngoba amaphoyisa wamlayelanga ukuthi mina ngiyakuphi.
She has the right to look for me via phone since the police did not inform her where they are taking me to.
Ingakho mina ngithi kube ngcono mhlambe phambi kwecourt ngiyatshena ukuthi ifoni yami yayikuphi yenzana ngasiphi isikhathi.
It would have been better if the court or before the court I'll be informed where my phone was during this time and what was happening or going on with it.
So are you suggesting that you are speaking to someone other than you?
So ngamagama ke uLebo bekhuluma nomunye umuntu kodwa hayi wena.
Lokho kusemqoko futhi ku straight iqonde ngqo akufuni ngisho irona.
That is clear as daylight. It does not need.
Ngoba ifoni yami on ngimabhena nomkhani bayiphethe ihlala kubona.
Because my phone is with Mabhena and Mohale, it is with them.
And the next call your number 16890 on the 29th of August 2020 at 001040. Once again, late at night, makes an outgoing call or MOC to Lebo's number 072-619-1698, and the duration of that call is 10:25 seconds. The tower is 3G Queenswood NGA.
Futhi ke masibheka futhi inombolo yakho le egcina ke ngayo 16890 mhla ka 29 August ngo2020 isikhathi ku 001040 ke ifone number yakho yakhombisa ke bakhona ke ucingo oluphumayo uleke ucingweni kwaLebo lathatha ke ngaba ke imizuzu engaba u10 umbhoshongo ke waseQueenswood.
Next call, your number ending 6890 on 29 August 2020, again late at night, in fact early hours at 01:51:31, receives an incoming SMS lasting 0 seconds from Lebo's number 072-619-1698. The tower is 3G Queenswood.
Futhi ke masiqhubekela phambili ke inombolo yakho legcina ngo0890 mhla ka 29 August ngo2020 isikhathi ke ntathakuza ngo01:51:31 kuyakhomba ukuthi ke inombolo yakho ke yathola ke umlayezo kongenile kuya kuLebo ngasigombhoshongo ke waseQueenswood.
And a second later, your number 6890 on 29 August 2020 at 01:51:32 receives an incoming text message from Lebus number lasting 0 seconds. The tower is 3G Queenswood, NGA.
Ngemva komzuzu nje inombolo yakho futhi legcina ngo6890 mhla ka 29 August 2020 isikhathi ku 01:51:32 yakhomba ukuthi ke thola ke imlayezo ongenile phansi kombhoshongo weQueenswood.
Your number 6890 on 29 August 2020 at 01:51:34. Again, a second later, receives an incoming text message lasting 0 seconds from Lebus number 07261919698, and the tower is 3G Queenswood, NGA.
Mhla ka 29 August ngo2020 futhi isikhathi ku 01:51:34 inombolo yakho igcina ngo6890 ke yathola ke umlayezo ke ungenayo ke so inombolo likaLebu inombolo yakho na ku 0726191688 phansi kombhoshongo ke weseQueenswood 3G.
Once again, it's a late night call stroke early hours of the morning call. A text message.
Futhi mawubheka ukuthi ke imlayezo ke ngene ke ebusuku noma ke ntathakusa.
Now, once again, Mr. Ntanzi, are you saying that your girlfriend was communicating with someone else other than you?
Manje ke usaphinda ke Mntantanzi ukuthi ke intombi yakho ke bekhuluma nomunye umuntu hayi wena.
Ngisamile lapho Nkosi enkantolo.
Yes, I still stand by that submission.
Ungakhohlwa nathi ifona mayihamba ke msengitshene kanenge court ifona mayihamba ihamba ivuliwe.
And don't forget what I mentioned before the court on many occasions, that when my phone was taken from me, it was on, it was not switched off.
Your number 6890 on 29 August 2020 at 07:19:38 made an outgoing call, an MOC lasting 1 second, to Lebus number 07261919698. The tower is 3G Queenswood, NGA.
Futhi ke mhla ka 29 August ngo2020 isikhathi ku 07:19:38 inombolo yakho ke lo egcina ngo6890 ke yenza ucingo oluphumayo leya kuLebu inombolo yakho na ku 0726191688 yathatha ke umzuzu nje phela wodwa phansi kombhoshongo ke weQueenswood.
Your number ending 6890 on 29 August 2020 at 07:20:01 receives an incoming call, an MTC lasting 23 seconds, from Lebus number 07261919698. The tower is 3G Queenswood, NGA.
Ngalo lona losuku lolo futhi ke 29 August ngo2020 isikhathi ke u072001 ke cingo lwakho ke lele eligcina ngo6890 ke lithola ke cingo olungenayo olubuya ke nombolweni yakhe uLebu u0726191668 lingathatha ke mhlawumbe imizwana ngaba 23 phansi kombhoshongo lo waseQueenswood.
Your number ending 6890 on 29 August 2020 at 08:47 received an incoming call, or an MTC lasting 19 seconds, from Lebus number 07261919698, and the tower is 3G Queenswood.
Mhla ka 29 August 2020 isikhathi ku 080847 inombolo yakho ke igcina ngo 6890 kuyaba khona kucingo olungena lubuya kulebu inombolo yakhe ku 0726191168 ke engathatha ke imizwalo ngaba 19 futhi nakhona ngaphansi kombhoshongo ke wase Queenswood.
Do you have any comment up to this point, Mr. Ntanzi?
Khona ke mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho umntwana Ntanzi.
mina ngisamile phambi kwekhodi ukuthi ifoni yami ihambe kimi ngavali ifoni yami bekumabhena nomhami.
I still maintain, my lord, what I said, that when my phone was taken from me, it was not switched off, it was with Mabena and Mohale.
And you say the person who had your phone, as you allege, was always at the same place, 3G Queenswood NGA.
Uthi manje ke ngokuya ngawe ke uthi lo muntu lo bekaphethe ifoni yakho bese endaweni eyi1 lapha eQueenswood.
Mina ngiyazi Queenswood ukuthi iqala kuphi iphelela kuphi.
I don't know where Queenswood starts and where it ends.
Ngoba kwamina phambi kwekatola akaze ngihlale endaweni eyodwa.
Because myself, I've never been stationary in one place or stay in one place.
Your number ending 6890 on 29 August 2020 at 09:18:57 received an incoming call, an MTC, that lasted 127 seconds from Lagos number 0726191698, the Tower 3G Queenswood NGA.
Mhla 29 August ngo 2020 isikhathi 09:18:57 inombolo yakho ke yona legcina ngo 6890 kuyathola ke cingo lungenayo lubuya inombolo kaSkalebu u0726191168 nayo ngaphansi kwembolo ethatha ke 127 second phansi kombhosho ngo Queenswood.
Any comment?
Khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho?
Mina ngithi ngangena phone phambi kwekoti namanje nginganayo namanje phambi kwekoti ifoni yami.
I did not have a phone then and I still don't have a phone now.
Okugcina nje comment yami yokuphendula lapha phambi kwekoti ukuthi yabona u-station commander sevelele ngizomcela ukuthi eze lapha ngoba ngisalikhumbula igama lakhe kodwa manje ngeke ngilimeshine igama lakhe.
And there's something that I would request the court that the station commander from Vereria will have to come before the court. I still remember or recall his name, though I will not mention his name now before the court.
Now, we've just covered 2 days, Mr. Ntanzi, 28 and 29 August 2020. The tower is still, it's the same tower, 3G Queenswood NGA.
Okwamanje ke sikhulume kabanzi ke ngemasuka ngama-date amabili i-28 zika August nange-29 zika August 2020 futhi ke sikhuluma ngawo umbhoshongo lo we-3G eQueenswood.
And we see that on the 28th and 29th, there were calls that were made in the late hours of the night, early hours of the day. Are you saying that the person who had your phone was there at the same place to receive and make these calls?
Mnumzane Ntanzi ke siye sakhuluma ke ngocingo lwenzakala mhla ka-28 August futhi nange-29 zika August kuyabonakala futhi nenkathi ukuthi besebusuku futhi nentathakusa ke uthi umbuzo ke uthi ngamanye amagama lo muntu lo ubenza shaya ucingo oluphumayo nolungenayo noma ke ebamba ucingo lelo ube lapha kule ndawo eyodwa ngaleso sikhathi.
From receive the calls and also make calls to your girlfriend.
Lo muntu lo
being based at 3G Queenswood NGA.
So lo muntu lo ke ube lapha eQueenswood ke efone lentombi yakho futhi ke ebamba futhi nefoni yakho.
Lokho kumhlophe kuqonde ngqo futhi nakhona ngingasho nje phambi kosekade ngoba kwamina akaze ngihlale Vereria.
That is very clear before the court, and I would also like to add that I have not myself stayed at Valeria. And secondly, I don't know where Mabena stayed then. And also Mohana.
So God please, Malatos, it's almost time for the court to adjourn. Can we then adjourn until tomorrow?
Yeah. Yeah, go to it, yeah.